So I say, the arrows that you stole, they didn't have no bombing broken like your heart. Though was who we got to be hit. You can't keep them all caged, they will fight and run away. Mother, tell me, so I say.